Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're getting you up to speed with what you need to know before the market opens. Today, we're taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, as well as the morning's biggest gainers and losers. So if you aren't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Also, make sure you stop by the TipRanks Instagram page for great stock-related content. It's TipRanks for investors, and the link will be down below in the description. All right, now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are mixed this morning. The Dow is sitting fairly even. It's up 0.02%. S&P 500 futures are down 0.17%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.36% currently. Shares of Fisker jumped nearly 4% after the EV manufacturer announced a new partnership with the Myovant Group, which is a spare part chain in the Nordic region. Per the terms of the letter of intent, Myovant will provide after-sales services for Fisker cars across Denmark, Norway, and Sweden. The Myovant Group will provide outsourced solutions, including vehicle delivery, service and maintenance, fleet management, mobile fleet servicing, and refurbishment. Working through a network of over 3,000 workshops across Scandinavia, they'll also cater services including driveway and remote service support, along with automotive parts logistics. The Fisker stock does come in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential of 94.5%. Walmart and Gap have decided to work together, and they are hitting the ground running. An exclusive line of Gap products is coming to Walmart next month. Gap is a specialty retailer focused on the apparel market, whereas Walmart obviously is a retailer that sells everything. Walmart has turned to Gap to fill a gap in its home goods section. It secured a deal to become the exclusive retailer of Gap Home, a new line of home items spanning bedding, tabletop, bath, and home decor. The Walmart stock comes in as a strong buy with an upside potential over 17%. We also have Bed Bath & Beyond partnering with DoorDash to expand their same-day delivery service. The two are coming together to make it easier and more convenient for customers to shop online. The same-day delivery partnership builds on a successful launch in Canada last month. DoorDash Delivery will power Bed Bath & Beyond's same-day delivery service, and its integration will expand the same-day delivery service to over 3,000 zip codes across the nation. Analysts do rate the Bed Bath & Beyond stock a hold, with an average price target that would be a 1% downside. Pfizer and Myovant have obtained FDA approval for Myovant. This is a first-of-its-kind daily treatment of up to 24 months, designed to manage heavy menstrual bleeding related to uterine fibroids in premenopausal women. The companies indicated that the U.S. regulators' decision was based from the Phase 3 Liberty 1 and Liberty 2 studies, which demonstrated the efficacy and safety of the treatment. Per the terms of the prior collaboration agreement, Pfizer and Myovant will jointly commercialize Myovant in the U.S., and the product is likely to be available this June. The Pfizer stock does come in as a hold, with an average upside just over 10%, whereas the Myovant Sciences stock does come in as a strong buy, with an average upside potential of 48%. And we have Vertex Energy, who has inked a deal to acquire Mobile Chemical LP Refinery from Equilon Enterprises for $75 million. Shares of the leading specialty refinery company jumped 151% in the extended trading session on Wednesday. The deal is expected to close in the fourth quarter of 2021. A project designed to modify the Mobile refinery's hydrocracking unit to produce renewable diesel fuel is slated for completion by the end of fiscal 2022. Upon completion, the Mobile refinery is expected to produce 10,000 barrels per day of renewable diesel by the end of 2022. Based on these assumptions, Vertex plans to increase renewable diesel production to 14,000 barrels per day by the first half of 2023. Thereafter, the Mobile refinery is forecast to report over $3 billion in sales and $400 million in gross profit every year from 2023 onwards. The Vertex stock does just have 2 analyst ratings, and after its recent jump, it is now over that $3 price target, but still would have some room to grow up to the $4 price target from Amit Dayal. Now we're going to shake it up a bit this morning and jump right into notable earnings reports. Starting off with Nvidia, who posted stronger than expected first quarter results. They reported first quarter adjusted earnings of $3.66 per share, up 103% year over year, and easily beating the street's estimates of $3.28 per share. Their revenue jumped 84% year over year to $5.66 billion, topping analyst expectations of $5.41 billion. Their CEO said that Mellanox, 1 year in, has exceeded our expectations and transformed Nvidia into a data center scale computing company. For the second quarter, they're projecting revenue of $6.3 billion, higher than the estimates of $5.5 billion. Their stock comes in as a strong buy with an average upside potential of 14%. With multiple analysts reiterating their price targets just today, we have one hold rating that has a small downside of 4% and the rest ranging around 17 all the way up to 27% growth potential. We also have Snowflake, who reported better than expected revenue but missed when it came to earnings. Their total revenue came in at $228.9 million, which was up 110% from the year-ago period, and surpassed Street's estimates of $212.89 million. The company reported a loss of 70 cents per share, compared to a loss of $1.72 per share in the prior year, but the loss was worse than the Street's estimated loss of just 16 cents. Their stock comes in as a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 18%. And we have Workday, whose results came in ahead of analyst expectations, but their shares are down slightly in the pre-market. The company, who provides enterprise cloud applications for finance and human resources, saw revenues of $1.18 million, surpassing the Street's estimates of $1.16 million and jumping over 15% from the year-ago period. Their earnings came in at 87 cents per share, beating consensus estimates of 73 cents per share and soaring over 97% year over year. On top of that, they're also raising their fiscal 2022 guidance for both subscription revenue and non-GAAP operating margin. Their stock comes in as a strong buy with an average upside potential of 16.76%. In other earnings this morning, we're expecting to hear from Best Buy and both the Dollar General and Dollar Tree stores. And in the after hours, we're looking to hear from Salesforce, Costco Wholesale, and Ulta Beauty. Now taking a look at this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Starting off with the company we mentioned before that had a big jump, and that is Vertex Energy. Under the ticker VTNR, their stock is now up about 100% in the pre-market. Followed by Zosano Pharma under ZSAN, currently up 26%, and Moxion Incorporated, currently up 31%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Anaplan. Under the ticker PLAN, they're down 12%. Followed by EasyGo Technologies under EZGO, they're currently down 9.6%, following a gain of 19% yesterday. And Garrett Motion under GTX, who's currently down 8%. So that is everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, bringing you what you need to know before the market opens. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. And please don't forget to stop back at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to catch Richard Allen's Power Hour, where he'll catch you up with what's been going on in the market throughout the day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you back here next time.